Hey guys, it's October 31st, so happy Halloween. Got a product announcement for you. I know a lot of you guys have been asking for a handgun weapons light solution in the adaptive lighting mounts, Thorntail light mount, so we made one for you. We finally have the Thorntail Offset mount, okay? And I'll just go through it really quickly, what you get in the bag. Of course, you get your 964 Allen wrench, and then you get the already assembled Thorntail that has the 1913 Picatinny rail attachment on it, and you can see how we've utilized the Thorntail mounting solution into that rail piece. Okay. Now, what you'll also notice is there's 5 mounting solutions on this light mount. Okay, so there's 5 screw holes where you could take your Thorntail piece out and just move it and put it into the top, so that way you could flip it around 180 degrees. You have 5 different solutions fore and aft, and then you have 8 different solutions all the way around the rifle. Obviously, up and down on each side, up and down on top, bottom, left and right. You guys get that. So, we try to make it as adaptable as possible. Put it on, slap it on there. Make sure you take your screws out first, and make sure you apply some type of thread locker. Like I use Loctite. No workbench or gun workbench should be complete without a lot of this shit laying around. So you'll find that if you're a military or law enforcement guy, you shoot a lot of rounds out there, things do come off. If it's got a screw, you can count on it coming off sooner or later. So make sure you do your part and put your Loctite on there. All right, I got it on. I'm gonna screw it down real quick. Obviously, I'm not using Loctite right now because this is just a demonstration. All right, so I've torqued that down pretty good. And now, WMLs. This mount was kind of built around the WML because of the ergonomic digital tail cap or switching system that it has. So you can see when you snap this bad boy on there, and of course you screw it down, you can see how the ergonomics of this gun just increased, it enhanced with the way my hand wraps around this gun. So now I've got the good weapons manipulation that I want. I don't have to move my thumb around to try to hit a button or a digital switch or something, or mechanical switch on a light. It is right there the whole time. So if I need to engage without manipulating the light and not accidentally or negligently discharging the light, I just keep my thumb where I want it. If I need to hit the light, it just simply switches and it goes on. So I'm not compromising my weapons manipulation, and that's why we build these light mounts with these lighting solutions to increase your performance, and that's the whole point of them. Now, if you're using a SUREFIRE lighting system like an X200, X300, X400 series, again, you just slide it right on. So you get the same kind of concept going here with the X200, X300, X400, okay? Same weapons manipulation and a good ergonomic placement of the light so you can engage it easily. Just make sure if you're using the SUREFIRE systems that you don't have the universal in here, unless you want to go from a handgun to a carbine for some weird reason. It's not going to come off. You're just going to have a lot of noise and a lot of rattle as you start shooting, which obviously you don't really want. So make sure that you change the SUREFIRE light universal to Picatinny for this Picatinny mount. And that's pretty much it, guys, besides for lighting solutions, that is anyways. Now, something else we were playing around with, we can mount these at the front of the gun and the rear of the gun. If you are running a magnified optic like this system here with this ACOG, if you have your favorite pair of iron sights, I just got a set of Troys on here just to show you guys. So if you needed backup iron sights, they're right there. You can flip them up, and so when you come out of your optic, it's just a slight roll right into your irons. So it's not straight perpendicular, or I should say 45 degrees alongside of the barrel. It is offset a little bit, but it's for close quarters combat. It's a close quarters combat solution is what that is, okay? So if you have your favorite pair of iron sights, you want to keep them on that gun and get them out of the way, but easily get to them with a magnified optic without taking the optic off, well, then this is also a solution that the offset mount will give you. So that's pretty much it, guys, on the offset Thorntail mount. Have a good Halloween. Don't be shooting Roman candles into kids' bags of candy. It catches on fire. I'm Travis Haley. Stay sharp, be safe. We'll see you out there.